everybody, my name is Eugene Jung and this is my first video. I'm going to make video about how to make Korean food easily and how to enjoy Korean culture. So the first video is about very essential Korean food ingredients. When you want to make Korean food at home, then go to the grocery stores. Korean grocery stores and pick these 5 sauces and ingredients. These are most important ingredients of Korean food. With this, you can make more than 50 to 60% of Korean food if you have sugar and salt in your kitchen. So the first is red pepper paste, gochujang. Gochu means red pepper and jang means paste. This is very unique condiment of Korea. It is made with red chili pepper powder, fermented rice, flour, soy lump powder, and salt. Of course, it is spicy, but it has sweetness and freshness as well. It is used as a seasoning in many Korean dishes like tteokbokki, bibimbap, and stew. Maybe you have Tabasco or sriracha in your pantry, but those are too sour, so those are not suitable to be used instead of gochujang. Second, soy sauce, 간장. There are many kinds of soy sauce: Korean soy sauce, Japanese soy sauce, and Chinese soy sauce. Those contain different flavors and ingredients. Korean soy sauce is made from soybean paste and fermented beans. I'm going to show you 2 types of Korean soy sauce: soy sauce and soup soy sauce. Soy sauce is sweeter and darker than soup soy sauce. So we use this when we make braised dish and meat dish like galbi. Soup soy sauce is saltier than soy sauce and is used in soups, stews, and seasoned vegetable dishes. Third, soybean paste, 된장. To make soybean paste, a fermented soybean lump is soaked in salt water for 40 days. Soy sauce is made from the broth that forms from the salt water soaked bean element, whereas the solid lump is made into soybean paste. Soybean paste is a good source of protein. Is there anyone who loves samjang? Soybean paste is primary ingredient in samjang. It smells pretty strong and something is fermented now, but you will love this. Fourth, red pepper powder, 고춧가루. This one is most widely used spicy flavoring in Korean cuisines. You can make kimchi with gochugaru, not gochujang. There are 2 types of gochugaru. Coarse red pepper powder is used in kimchi, and fine red pepper powder is used as seasoning. And the last one is sesame oil, 참기름. Oh my god, I love this smell. It makes me calm and relaxed. I want to make sesame oil perfume. Sesame oil is produced by roasting sesame seeds and is widely used in combination with many ingredients. Sesame oil gives extra flavor to the food. However, it is not suitable for fried food. Calm and relaxed. So, how was it? If you want to make Korean food, then go to Korean grocery stores and grab these 5 things. Or Amazon.com is always open. Next time, I'm going to bring Korean food recipe. See you then. Bye. 안녕.